Hello friends, good morning. How are you all? Today I am going to give the training on software development life cycle SDLC. So introduction to SDLC. The software development life cycle is a structured process used for developing software applications. It outlines a series of steps to ensure the delivery of high quality, cost effective software that meets user needs. SDLC provides a framework for planning, creating, testing, deploying, and maintaining software products. By following the SDLC, organizations can streamline the software creation process, improve outcomes, and ensure the final product aligns with user needs. Now, different phases in software development life cycle. So, number one is requirement gathering and analysis. Number two is design, low level design, high level design. Number three is development. Number four is software testing. Number five is implementation. Number six is maintenance and support. We will go one by one now. Requirement analysis. Requirement analysis is a critical phase in the software development lifecycle where the project team gathers, evaluates, and documents the functional and non functional requirements of the system. This phase serves as the foundation for designing and developing the software, ensuring that it meets the needs of the stakeholders and users. Now, objectives of requirement analysis: understand stakeholders' needs, identify what users and stakeholders expect from the system. Number two is define scope, clearly outline what the system will do and will not do to prevent scope creep. Number three is create documentation. Develop artifacts like the software requirements, specifications, SRS, BRS, FRS documents like that, documents to ensure clarity and alignment. Facilitate communication. Ensure all stakeholders, including developers, designers, and testers, have a unified understanding of the requirements. Number two comes to design. Now, high level design refers to the phase where all overall structure of the system is defined. This stage provides an abstract view of the system and breaks it down into modules or components. It outlines the architecture and key components, specifying how they interact with each other without delving into the technical details. Low level design is the phase where detailed design for each component or module are created. It translates the high level design into a more specific, detailed, and implementable blueprint for developers. LLD means like low level design focuses on how each part of the system will work, including detailed technical specifications. Coming to development, it is a phase in the software development lifecycle is the stage where the actual coding or programming takes place, actual development of the application. This phase follows the design phase, which provides the blueprint for the software, and it is where developers translate the design specifications into a working software product. Objectives of the development phase: translate design into code, convert the design from the HLD, means like high level design to low level design, into functional code using the selected programming languages, frameworks, and technologies. Create functional software. Develop a system that meets the requirements outlined in the requirements analysis phase. Ensure quality and efficiency. Write clean, efficient, and maintainable code that is easy to test and integrate. Collaborate with teams. Work closely with designers, testers, and other stakeholders to ensure the software functions as expected. Coming to testing. Testing phase is in the software development lifecycle is crucial to ensuring that the software meets its requirements. and works as intended. It involves systematically checking the software for defects, verifying that it performs well, and validating that it meets both functional and non-functional requirements. Objectives of the testing phase: identify defects. This is the first objective, important objective. Detect bugs or issues in the software that could affect its requirements and functions correctly under various conditions. Verify requirements. Confirm that the software fulfills all the functional and non-functional requirements defining during the requirement analysis and design phases. Ensure stability and performance. Validate that the system is stable, reliable, and scalable under real-world conditions. Implementation phase is the software development. In software development lifecycle is the stage where the actual coding and development work takes place. This phase is crucial because it transforms the design and requirement specified previous phases into a functional software application. The primary goal of implementation phase is to build and integrate the system components so they work together as intended. Objectives: develop the software, write the code based on the design documents and system requirements. Integrate components, ensure that the different modules or components of system interact correctly and efficiently. Build the software to specification, make sure the software matches the specifications outlined in earlier phases, including functional and non-functional requirements. Ensure code quality, maintain high standards for code quality, including readability, efficiency, and maintainability. Maintenance and support. This is the phase which refers to the activities carried out after the software has been deployed to ensure it continues to function correctly, remains updated, and meets the evolving needs of users. This phase ensures that the software remains relevant, secure, and efficient over time. Objectives of the maintenance and support phases are: ensure system stability, continuously monitor and fix issues that arise from after the software is released, adapt to changes, address changing user needs, business requirements, or external factors like new technologies or legal regulations, improve system performance, optimize and enhance the system performance to ensure smooth operation in real world environments, provide ongoing support, offer technical assistance and support to users, ensuring they can effectively use the software. So these are the different phases in software development life cycle. It is very important phase. These are very important phases in the software development life cycle in IT and software field. Why is SDLC important? Provides a clear roadmap for software development, ensures high quality deliverables, reduces risks and enhances efficiency, helps manage resources effectively, facilitates better communication among teams. So these are the different phases, and this is why the SDLC is very important in IT software field. Thank you very much, guys. Please like, share, and subscribe my channel so that you will get the notifications whenever I post the videos. Thank you very much.